Okay guys, I want to apologize in advance. I'm not used to talking this much, so sorry for the occasional coughing. Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Red Mic 142 video. Today we are continuing our series on how to make behavior packs for Minecraft Bedrock Edition 1.17. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a furnace recipe. Furnace, campfire, blast furnace, smoker, all that sort of good stuff. So yep, let's get started. So the application we're going to be using is called Bridge and also Subline Text. And we'll also be using a JSON validator. So I've already made a part 1 on this where I go through the whole manifest, pack icons, all that sort of stuff. So go check that out first, because it's the same in every single part, so I don't want to repeat it. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to create a new project and do everything we did in part 1. Okay guys, if you want this pack, it will be in the description. You can use it in your own Minecraft worlds. So I've done the pack icon and the manifest, everything's in part 1. So now we're going to get started. So let me make this full screen for you. So we're going to start by doing Command N, or just going up to File here and hitting File. We're going to scroll down till we see Recipe, which is this book thing, the recipe book, and we're going to call this Lever. No template, because I want to show you the whole thing through. So we're going to hit Create. Everything for this is going to be controlled with these 3 things down here. So, yep, let's get started. So, under Add Object, we want to click on that and hit Format Version. So, we want to click on Add Value and click on 1.17. So, now we're going to click on this and we're going to find Recipe Furnace and we're going to click on that. So, we're going to make sure that arrow is pointing down so we can see everything and that it is selected. You can see that light bar going across. So we're going to click on Add Object and we're going to click on Description. Then we're going to click on this arrow again, click on Identifier, and then here we're going to click on this here and put Lever Recipe and click on whatever it suggests, and then we're going to put that back up. Don't worry about that error, it's perfectly fine. So now making sure that Minecraft is selected at the top again, we're going to click on this and we're going to click on Tags. So for this here, I'm going to have Furnace, Blast Furnace, Smoker, Soul Campfire, and Campfire. So we're going to click on 0, and 0 is going to be our blast furnace. Then we're going to click on 1, and that's going to be our campfire. Then we're going to click on 2, that's going to be our furnace. Then we're going to click on 3, that's going to be our smoker. And then we're going to click on 4, and that's going to be our soul campfire. So we have those 5 different things that we can use to make this. So now we're going to put that up, make sure that it is selected at the top there. We're going to click on this Add Object again and click on Input. So under the Add Value, we're going to find Rotten Flesh. There it is. We're going to click on that and make sure that's selected again. And we're going to click on this and click on Output, and we're going to get Lever. So we're just going to have straight lever. There we are. And yeah, that is it now. So we can close that all up if you want. Doesn't really matter. Do Command S or click File and Save File. Now we can close out a bridge, and we don't want to close out a bridge because I just assumed you'd already be here, but you probably won't. You want to hit Open in Explorer, and that will show you it. So let me just close that one. So you want to open this up, and then you want to open the manifest. And we're going to copy all of this here, and we're going to go to Google or Safari, whatever you're using, and we're going to type in JSON checker. And I just use the top one here. And we're going to paste that in and validate. So it has been validated. So now we're going to do the same thing under recipes with this lever recipe. Select from that top bracket down. We're going to clear that and put this here and hit validate. And that is validated. So now we can launch Minecraft and give it a test. This testing world, I'm going to create new. I'm going to call it test, but you can just leave it as my world name, my world, whatever. I just, I kind of know that's my testing ones that just have no name. So I go through and delete those later. We want to be in creative, And we obviously want to activate our pack. Here it is, activate. Okay, that warning there was just saying that achievements will be turned off. So then we're going to hit create. I don't know why it doesn't just tell us when we put it in creative, but yeah. Okay, so we're going to start with the smoker. So we're going to put it in the top there, and we're going to put some coal, and then the blast furnace, put it in the top there, put in some coal, then the furnace, put it in the top there, put in some coal, and then on the campfires. Okay, let's wait and see what we get. Look at that, it has worked. We got some leather out of the smoker, some leather out the blast furnace, some leather out the furnace. Now let's see if these campfires will give us leather. Okay, let's see. Yes, we get leather. So, yep, it works perfectly. So, yeah, that is how to make it. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time. So, yeah, let me know any ideas of crafting recipes you want. We're gonna do crafting first, and then we'll move on to something like biomes or something after we have finished all the crafting recipes. Well, not all of them, just like the blast furnaces, the brewers, the stone cutters. So, yeah. See you in for part 4, I think, is it? This is part 3. So, yep, see you for part 4.